Hello, this is Scott Hudgens with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia on Route 17 in between Fort Eustis Boulevard and Denby Boulevard. Today we're looking at a brand new 2015 Forest River Georgetown 328 TSF. 3 slide out Class A gas motorhome, solid one-piece windshield, awning toppers over your slide, power awning, seamless windows. You have outside TV, speakers, tons of exterior storage. Entering into the 328, we're looking at the Thunder decor. Plank wood linoleum flooring, booth dinette, sleeper sofa. You do have the bunk over the cab option, that is included. Ford V10, hydraulic leveling jacks, backup and side cameras. Nice Euro recliner. Solid surface countertops, residential refrigerator freezer, nice Toshiba TV, tons of pantry wardrobe space, nice setup with the glass enclosed shower, queen bed on the slide with more wardrobe and a bedroom TV. It says 2 air conditioners. This brand new 2015 Forest River Georgetown, the Class A gas motorhome 328 model. It's located in Yorktown. Please give me, Scott Hudgens, a call. Set up a time. Come see it in person. 757-833-3633. Thank you. Have a nice day.